Let's quick look at your weather picture. I want to thank Kent for these great bikes today. Harry, we'll send it to you. I'm on my way in. Watch out!
Thanks, Dave. We have been discussing this fall's CBS primetime lineup, which includes one very familiar name. Hawaii Five-0 was one of TV's best crime shows ever, with a backdrop that was hard to beat. It ran for 12 years, dude. Now a new version stars Alex O'Loughlin as Detective Steve McGarrett, Scott Kahn as Detective Dano Williams, Daniel Day Kim as Chin Ho Kelly, and Grace Park as Chin's cousin Kono. And they are all with us live in the studio this morning. How you doing, guys?
Morning.
Morning.
All right. So the phone rings, and your agent, or who calls you? Agent calls?
Yeah, theoretically, yeah.
Yeah. And says they're thinking about doing Hawaii Five-0 again. Would you be interested?
Yeah, well, my first question was, do I have to grow my hair into the thing that Jack
The
Lord
Jack
had?
Lord
I wasn't sure.
pompadour.
The pompadour, yeah.
I like it.
They said it wouldn't be necessary.
Not necessary.
Not necessary.
So that was a first hurdle to get over,
Yeah,
right?
so, I was ready.
Yeah, you were
point.
game. You were game.
I was game.
I have to confess, because as I said on the show earlier, you know, I got the call last night, here's the DVD, take a look, and I'm like, you know, sometimes you go back to something old and try it again. I'm not so sure. This thing rocks. This thing totally rocks. Even little very impressive. Very
demographic.
Yeah, I like the on-screen chemistry with you guys.
Scott and I?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're fond of each other.
Yeah. In a kind of, you know, nasty sort of buddy comedy sort of.
Nasty, manly sort of, it doesn't have to mean anything sort of way.
Yeah. Exactly right.
Right? Yeah.
Exactly right. And you, Dano, and I can't even remember from the original series, was Dano from New Jersey too?
I don't think so.
You
I don't
made
know.
that part up.
Yeah, I made it all up.
All right.
I'm responsible for everything. If you like it, if you don't like it, it's other people.
It's somebody else's fault.
Yeah.
It's somebody else's fault.
Yeah.
All right. I got to go. I have to go here because this is maybe the most important thing. Daniel, just tell us what happens at the end of Lost.
Wow. How long
Before
do we have?
talk about Hawaii Five-0, just spill the beans now and just save everybody the trouble of having to watch the final episode.
Well, you know what the great thing is?
Yeah.
In only a few more days, we'll all know what the finale of Lost is and what all the answers are.
You're not giving it up?
I would love to, but, you know, I need to keep a job still.
Well, you got a new job. Hello. Hello.
In that case.
Welcome to the new job. Well, I'll let you, you know, hang for a little bit and then think about it. And before the end of the segment, if you want to, you know,
But
give it up.
I might whisper it to you. Is that okay, Harry?
That's good. That'll work. All right. And very good. And I'm thinking, you were in Battlestar, right?
Yeah, I was.
What did you play in Battlestar?
I played a robot. Boomer.
Boomer the Robot. Very
sounds
good.
silly.
Yeah.
And trust me, it's not super sci-fi, but the way I just said that, yeah.
Yeah.
But no aliens.
It looks like they've spent some money on this, and the locations in Hawaii are really good. As you were shooting this thing, are you thinking this is going to work?
Definitely. I mean, Daniel's lived there for a few years already. I didn't really know if I wanted to go work in Hawaii, but I mean, everyone's saying how beautiful it is, and as soon as you go there, you feel the aloha spirit, and yeah, it definitely takes
There's a
over.
very, very positive vibe there. Now, do you have to move? Because, well, with Lost, did you just move there? Because that's most of that is shot there, right?
Yeah, once we knew that the show was going to stay on the air, my family and I moved to Hawaii, and we've been there for 6 years now.
Wow, very cool, very cool. Do you guys end up moving? Will you have to move there?
We will move, yeah. We're sort of going to move next month. I just looked at you like we're moving together. This is getting stranger and stranger.
Excellent.
We're going to move individually, but we're all going to be there.
Yeah.
Daniel is the king of Oahu. I'm not sure if you knew that. He's poster boy for the island. You absolutely
I did
are.
not know that. I did not know that.
We know
Well, now
that.
you do.
I'm a temporary placeholder until you all
King
get there.
Kamehameha.
We're actually going to be on his couches. You know, we're
Sleeping in the couches.
using his washing machines and stuff until we get our own place.
That actually might
Well, it's very fresh. It looks awesome. The action is great. It is really just a really well thought out rockin' show, and it looks, you know, I'll keep my fingers crossed for you guys.
Me too.
All right. And we're looking for that first guest starring older morning television anchor kind of guy who gets in some sort of inexplicable trouble.
Do you have someone in mind?
Well,
You know, like a
yeah, you let us know if you have
location.
someone in mind. That's right. We have the creator here somewhere. So
yeah. We'll send you the email. All right. Thanks, guys, and congratulations. We'll look forward to. And what night are you on, too?
Monday at 10. There you go.
No pressure there, dudes.
No pressure.
All right. Starting this fall, the new Hawaii Five-0 will air, there it is, Monday nights at 10 right here on CBS. Maggie?
This portion of